Last December, a 6.2 magnitude earthquake struck near the town of Močnejši in Croatia. Parts of the town were flattened.
Kuću ne možemo ući jer je sve srušeno, spucani zidovi, sve razbijeno što god ima i ne možemo ući unutra.
7 people died and dozens were injured. Croatia asked for help, and the EU Civil Protection Mechanism responded, with 15 countries sending immediate assistance. Whether it's a natural disaster or a pandemic, the events of the last year have shown that solidarity between countries is needed more than ever.
Όλοι μαζί μπορούμε να πετύχουμε πολύ περισσότερα και αυτός ήταν ο στόχος μας, να φτιάξουμε ένα ενισχυμένο ευρωπαϊκό μηχανισμό πολιτικής προστασίας.
The European Parliament ensured EU crisis responses would be faster and more efficient with the upgraded mechanism. In the event of a disaster, the European Commission will now have the capacity to immediately procure and send resources through the RESC-EU reserve. Thanks to the EU budget and the Recovery Fund, the Civil Protection Mechanism will be allocated more than €3.2 billion for 2021 to 2027, around 5 times more than the previous 7 years.
Το Ευρωπαϊκό Κοινοβούλιο έκανε την κατανομή. 5% η πρόληψη, 85% η προετοιμασία, 10% η αντιμετώπιση.
In 2020, EU countries used the Civil Protection Mechanism to repatriate more than 90,000 EU citizens during the coronavirus pandemic, and to send medical equipment like masks to the areas most in need. In the face of disaster, it's more efficient to pool resources and expertise. The Civil Protection Mechanism makes the EU more resilient to future crises, and ensures that no EU country has to cope with a major disaster alone.